For my girlfriend's birthday, I made her this wind-up ice skating rink that has animations wrapping around the outside. It's powered by a wind-up music box I found in a pile of free stuff. I didn't really like the song options, so I decided to try making it play our song. For that, all I had to do was shove heated pins into the plastic drum at exactly the right spot to play the right note at the right time and transpose the song into only 18 notes, and there are 3 of the same note because you can't play the same note too fast. And then there's the key of the comb, which is hard to tell, and I'm running out of time. When looking for something to wrap the outside, I found this sushi mat. The picket fence look reminded me of this picket fence or barrier grid animation, which works by slicing up the frames of an animation and then combining them offset, so only one frame at a time is visible through the openings between the moving barrier bars. I made the 6-frame animations in After Effects and then froze them into this wild smear of timeless time. And to my surprise, it worked. I attached the paper strip to a clear plastic drum with holes in the top to let light illuminate the images from behind. Then I made this rotating base and modded the music box so the base could rotate perpendicular to the winder. I added magnets to the top of the drum to move the skaters, and also to attach it to the base so I could make adjustments as the clearance between the drum and the walls needed to be very small. Then I finished cutting, painting, and gluing the outer walls. Then I made the people out of wire, and I gave the fancy skater this magnetic base, which spins because the circle magnet experiences an uneven pull on the side closer to the end of the bar magnet beneath, kinda like this. As for the music box, for now it's a meditation chime. Luckily she digs it, and I super dig her.